a blockbuster up there. Go ahead, check it out. Make your bunny ears and your mask, okay? So, again, welcome to the Great Eastern Expedition brought to you by Robinson's Magnolia. We would also like to thank our sponsors, Robinson Supermarket, Universal Robina Corporation, Art Living, Krispy Kreme, Villa del Conde, Fruits and Ice Cream, and of course, Digital Walker. Now, Digital Walker is doing a sale discount of up to 70% off, and that happens until the 30th of May. So go ahead, visit their shop. I believe it's on the 3rd level, okay? Woo! What a show. And by the way, later we will do all together, all of us here, we're gonna do the egg hunting. And I believe we're gonna do it here inside instead. Okay? It has stopped raining, but it may be muddy in the garden, so I think it's a lot better that we do it here inside. Okay? I think that favors everyone. So later, when we're done with the show, we're gonna ask the parents and the children to stay put, also give us a little space so we can put the eggs here, spread the eggs all around the stage, and then your kids can go ahead and look for, okay, sure, for